everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi everyone, I am Leo, and I am ready to learn with you today.
Today we will learn how to think in English while you speak.
We will stop translating in our heads and speak more naturally.
We will use simple words, short sentences, and clear practice.
I will be the student, and I will try each exercise with you.
I will be the teacher, and I will guide you step by step.
Let's start slowly and build confidence together.
Thinking in English is a skill that grows with practice.
It gets easier when we use small sentences every day.
We will use 3 tools today: see, say, and connect.
See means look and notice. Say means speak. Connect means link ideas.
First, we practice seeing an object and saying its name in English.
I look at a pen and I say the word pen.
I look at a phone and I say the word phone.
I look at a book and I say the word book.
Now we add short sentences to each object.
I see a pen and it is on the table.
I see a phone and it is next to my hand.
I see a book and it is open on page 10.
We keep the sentences short to stay calm and clear.
Short sentences help me think in English without stress.
Good. Now we will use a simple pattern called this is.
This is a pen and it writes well.
This is a phone and it is new.
This is a book and it is interesting.
Next, we use a small action sentence called I plus verb.
I write with a pen.
I call with the phone.
I read a book.
When you use I plus verb, your brain learns the English path.
The English path is a direct line from idea to words.
Yes, no translation, just a direct line.
I like the direct line because it feels fast and simple.
Now we will practice a 1-minute English window.
1 minute English window means 1 minute with only English.
During the window, you look around and name things in English.
During the window, you make tiny sentences with easy words.
Start with the room around you and speak softly.
I see a chair. It is brown. It is near the wall.
I see a table. It is clean. It is in the center.
I see a window. It is open. The air is fresh.
Great. Now we add time words to guide thinking.
Time words help me build simple stories.
The time words are now, then, and next.
I will try a small story with time words.
Good. Make 3 lines with now, then, and next.
Now I sit on the chair.
Then I open my notebook.
Next, I write 3 words in English.
Excellent. Now we practice thinking in English with daily actions.
I will use actions from morning to night.
Use the pattern I plus verb plus detail.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
I drink water before breakfast.
I go to work by bus.
I read a page at lunch.
I cook rice for dinner.
I watch a short video in English.
I sleep at 10 and rest well. Now we learn a mini method called see, do, say.
I will listen and follow the steps.
Step 1. See the action in your mind.
Step 2. Do a small version with your body.
Step 3. Say a short sentence in English.
I will try with drink water.
See a glass of water. Lift your hand a little and speak.
I drink water now.
Let's try with open the door.
I see a door, I move my hand, I say a sentence.
Say the sentence clearly and slowly.
I open the door.
Good. Now with write a note.
I hold a pen. I move my hand. I speak.
Keep it short and natural.
I write a note.
Now we will practice the noticing game.
The noticing game helps me think in English about details.
Rule 1. Pick one object and say 3 facts in English.
I pick a cup, and I say 3 facts.
Choose simple facts like color, size, and place.
The cup is white.
The cup is small.
The cup is on the table.
Great! 3 facts make a tiny English picture.
Tiny pictures help me think without translation.
Now we will learn a sentence letter with 3 levels.
Level 1 is a single word or a simple phrase.
Level 2 is a short sentence with a verb.
Level 3 is a small chain of 2 sentences.
I will model the letter with the word coffee.
Level 1, coffee.
Level 2, I drink coffee.
Level 3, I drink coffee. It is hot.
Perfect! This ladder grows your English thinking slowly.
I can use the latter for any topic in daily life.
Let's do it with bus.
Level 1, bus.
Level 2, I take the bus.
Level 3, I take the bus. It is crowded.
Now do it with book.
Level 1, book.
Level 2, I read a book.
Level 3, I read a book. It is new.
Good. Now we will stop 2 common translation traps.
The first trap is long sentences in my native language.
We fix it with short English lines and simple words.
The second trap is fear of mistakes.
We fix it with friendly practice and calm breathing.
I will use short lines even if my idea is big.
Big idea, small lines, clear mind.
I like that rule because it reduces pressure.
Now we practice the 5 favorite sentence starters.
The starters help me begin quickly without translation.
The 5 starters are I like, I see, I have, I want, and I am.
I like apples.
I see a bus.
I have a notebook.
I want coffee.
I am ready.
Now make a second line after each starter.
I like apples. They are sweet.
I see a bus. It is blue.
I have a notebook. It is new.
I want coffee. It is morning.
I am ready. Let's practice.
Make one about travel to work or school.
At 8, I leave home.
I take the bus to work.
I listen to English on the way.
Great! Your brain is now building English paths.
The paths feel faster and more natural now.
Now we will try the switch word trick.
The switch word trick helps me avoid translation.
Pick one everyday word and keep it only in English for a week.
I will pick water and say only water all week.
Use it in many short sentences every day.
I drink water, I need water, I have water, I like water.
This creates an English island in your mind.
Many small islands become an English country over time.
Now we will practice fast reaction drills.
Fast reaction drills train quick thinking in English.
I will say a cue and you answer with a short English line.
I will answer quickly with simple words.
Cue, weather.
It is sunny.
Cue, drink.
I want water.
Cue, time.
It is 9.
Cue, place.
I am at home.
Cue, plan.
I will study.
Great speed. Now we add small connectors.
Small connectors link ideas without making long sentences.
The connectors are and, but, and then, because.
I drink water and I sit down.
I am tired, but I will read.
I eat and then I study.
I take the bus because it is easy.
These are short and natural for everyday talk.
Now we will do picture thinking without a picture.
I will build a picture with words only.
I will give 3 words and you speak 2 lines.
I will try to stay simple and clear.
Words, park, bench, book.
I sit on a bench.
I read a book in the park.
Words, kitchen, cup, tea.
I am in the kitchen.
I drink tea in a small cup.
Excellent. Now we will practice self-talk for 2 minutes.
Self-talk means I speak to myself in English.
Use the room, the time, and your plan.
Keep each line short and positive.
Begin your self-talk now.
It is morning. I am at my desk.
I open my notebook. I write 3 words.
I read 1 page. I feel calm.
I drink water. I breathe slowly.
I will study 10 minutes. I can do it.
Now we will learn a repair kit for mistakes.
The repair kit helps me continue without fear.
If you forget a word, use a simple helper word.
I can use thing, do, go, make, or get.
For example, if you forget screwdriver, say the tool.
I get the tool and I fix it.
If you forget schedule, say plan.
I check my plan and I go.
We will end with a short conversation using direct English.
I will keep all lines short and clear.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your plan now?
I will read and then study.
What do you need?
I need water and a pen.
Where are you going?
I am going to the library.
Why the library?
It is quiet and I can focus.
Great! Now a final review of the key steps.
Step 1. Use small sentences every day.
Step 2. Name objects and add 1 detail.
Step 3. Use I plus verb for quick action.
Step 4. Build tiny stories with now, then, next.
Step 5. Make English islands with switch words.
Step 6. Use connectors and reaction drills.
Step 7. Repair mistakes with helper words.
Practice these steps for 10 minutes each day.
Speak softly to yourself and build the English path.
Do not wait for perfect. Speak simple and speak now.
Small lines, many times, strong results.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us and practicing your English.
Keep thinking in English while you speak.
See you next time and keep your English path open.